So some of the reasons you might want to take a course like this, Advanced Google Tag Manager, is that many of the things we learn in the intermediate courses and the other courses available, they cover the how to use Google Tag Manager in the way that it's intended to be used. But that intention isn't always in line with how your organization might actually need the capabilities of such a versatile tool. So I'm going to be talking about things like automation. How do you reduce the amount of manual work that you might need if you're handling hundreds of containers or dozens of accounts across different clients and organizations? And those are the kinds of things that you don't really know about until you really take a look at what GTM has to offer. And the API is just an excellent example. The custom templates is another thing that other courses don't really yet get involved with, simply because they let you encapsulate some of the complexities of custom scripting into a new user interface, and you can build your brand with a custom template that you can deliver to your clients and to your customers with ease. So when you take this course, some of the things that you'll notice immediately that you can do differently with GTM, first of all, you'll have more confidence with custom scripting. We all know how powerful GTM can be when you start really implementing custom stuff that GTM doesn't offer natively. Well, with the API, with the custom templates, and with a broad understanding of how event tracking works, you can really build those advanced tracking and measurement machines that so much of today's advanced analytics relies on. And with advanced Google Analytics understanding, you'll have more confidence in building those really complicated enhanced e-commerce setups that you need if you want good quality data. So by taking a course like this and really deep diving into those advanced topics, I'm trying to help you build the confidence to really tackle some of the business questions that you might not have realized can be solved with a front-end tool like Google Tag Manager. My name is Simo Ahava. I work at a company called 8-Bit Sheep. I'm actually the co-founder and partner of 8-Bit Sheep. We're from Helsinki, Finland. We're a company of developers. My focus is on analytics implementation and data pipeline engineering. And what got me to this position and what got me to work with GTM was this idea that we need to bridge together the worlds of the developer and the marketer. And as it just so happens, Google Tag Manager is the perfect tool for that. And when I started working with GTM around 7 years ago now, there was really a niche for this kind of content because nobody was elaborately writing about the interface between these deeply technical concepts and how to deliver those into the marketing context. And so when I started writing my blog as an outlet for my own creative aspirations and my own developer diary in a way, I guess one of the reasons it became popular was because there was this unspoken need for technical guidance with a tool like Google Tag Manager that really does require a broad understanding of the web technology stack in general. In this course, you'll be taking a number of bite-sized lessons intending to improve your skills around a couple of thematic groups that I've hand-selected for you. We are going to cover event tracking in Google Tag Manager. We're going to be covering advanced Google Analytics implementation, and we'll be talking about the programmatic API and the custom templates feature of Google Tag Manager. With these topics, I'm convinced you'll be able to build your vocabulary and skill set in using these concepts to improve your day-to-day work with analytics and with marketing and advertising pixels. So one of the difficult things with a course like this is to figure out the ROI of your time. And what I want to help you with is try to make that something really tangible. So that's why we'll be talking, for example, about the programmatic API, which many might consider kind of tangential to GTM in general, but in my opinion, it's one of the main reasons you'll really want to take a look at GTM and the API in order to reduce the number of manual hours you put into maintaining the entire complexity of GTM's container and account setups. So with the API, you can trivially automate things like updating hundreds and hundreds of tags across all your containers. So I'm giving you a tool with which you can really improve the ROI of your work. But we'll also be talking about concepts like advanced Google Analytics tracking, and we're trying to empower you as a GTM user so that you don't have to wait in line to get your request through to the IT department of your organization, but you can work with them and offer them these pre-made solutions that will help you really build your analytics setups in your organizations. All right. If this sounds true, and if you think that some of these topics might be useful to you, and hey, even if you don't think they're useful to you, check it out anyway. You can just listen to the warm tones of my voice and just jump on over to the Advanced Google Tag Manager course at the CXL Institute. I'll see you there.